Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the SQL Server order by clause to sort the results set of a query by one or more columns. So when you use the when you use the select statement to query data from a table, as we have seen in the previous tutorial, the order of rows in the result set is not guaranteed, which means that SQL Server can return a result set with an unspecified order of rows. So in order for you to control the order of rows of a select statement, you need to use the order by clause. So let's go back to the SQL Server Management Studio. Let's expand the AdventureWorks database, and under tables we have the person.person table. Let's do select top 1000 rows from this table. Here we have not specified any order for SQL Server, but it looks like SQL Server ordered the rows of this table by business entity ID. But let's say we want to order the result of this table by first name, for example. So how can we do that? Let's create a new query on this database. Click here on new query, and let's type select all from person order by first name. Select it and click on execute to run the query. And as you can see, clearly the result of this query has been sorted by first name in an ascending order. If I add here the keyword ascending, ASC, it's going to be the same result, because by default order by orders the result set in an ascending order. If I want to do descending order, I can add the keyword DESC, run the query again, and as you can see, clearly the result has been sorted in a descending order. So clearly the syntax is order by, and then the column or the columns by which you want to order the result, and then the keyword descending or ascending. If I want to order by last name, I can do that. So this is order by last name in a descending order, as you can see, and I can do ascending as well. It is also possible to sort a result set by multiple columns. For example, if I do order by first name, comma, last name, sorry, I have typo here. What this is going to do, it's going to sort the person list by first name and then by last name. So as you can see here, the first names that start with A have the last name sorted. For example, the first name that starts with A, just A, we have a last name that starts with L, and then a last name that starts with W. So when the first name is similar, we sort the rows by last name. That's what it means. Another example is Aaron here. So we have multiple rows with first name Aaron, and with these rows we have we have them sorted by last name, because that's what we have specified here. Order by first name, and when the first name is equal, order by last name. So this group of rows is sorted by last name, as you can see. You can also sort a result set by an expression. For example, I can say order by the length of the first name and ascending, which means that the rows are going to be sorted according to the length of the first name column in an ascending order. Let's try it. So you have the rows that have in the first name just 2 characters. Then you have the rows that have 3 characters in the first name. And then you have the rows that have 4 characters in the first name, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can use an expression in the order by clause. In this tutorial, you have learned how to use SQL Server order by clause to sort a result set by columns in ascending or descending order. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and thank you for watching.